You're not going out today, are you?
Yeah, the boss messaged sent this guy in a Camaro, which he lives in town. Oh, he can do it. Anybody can do it. Yeah, we're driving, and it's bad. And then Eric called because he didn't get his money from his 2 days missing pay, and the boss, he's like, he was joking. He's like, I can't come in today, and then he's saying I didn't get paid, and then he said, the boss Mark said, yeah, I went driving around to see if it was good, and yeah, it's good. He didn't get up and go drive and check for us. He didn't leave his freaking house. All he saw, because he sent a text saying, shout out to Pat for getting out there in this weather, and he got out and did it. But I'm trying to call my stops right now to see if they got it clear. If I can't get out of that incline, then I can't make it to Mount Vernon anyways. Stop. Oh. Oh my word, leave me alone.
Okay, be safe. I love you.
Hey, um, I was about to leave, but he's holding me for DPS. He's being a jerk. The roads are bad. Um, Hopefully you guys got the dock like shoveled and clear. My boss says if I can't get out and I have to call a tow record, then I'll be in trouble. So if I back in and can't get out, that'd be bad. But I was checking to see if it was all clear.